Emergency maneuver in a marine diesel engine is a special manual operating procedure used when the normal remote control system from the bridge or engine control room fails. It allows the engine crew to directly control the main engine from the engine side to keep the ship safe and maintain propulsion during an emergency. This is very important because if the automatic control system fails during narrow channel navigation, port arrival, departure, or heavy traffic, the vessel can become dangerous without immediate engine response. We perform emergency maneuver mainly when there is failure of remote control, governor malfunction, pneumatic control failure, telegraph failure, bridge control failure, or any automation problem that prevents normal engine operation. The purpose is to ensure that the ship can still move safely, stop, reverse, or change speed without depending on the automatic system. Safety of the vessel, crew, cargo, and environment depends on quick action during such situations. To carry out emergency maneuver, first inform the bridge and chief engineer that engine control will be shifted to local manual control. Communication must be clear and continuous. Then isolate the remote control system according to the maker's procedure and switch the engine control mode from remote to local or emergency mode. Check starting air pressure, lubricating oil pressure, control air pressure, cooling water temperature, and ensure all safety conditions are normal. One engineer should stay near the maneuvering stand and another should maintain communication with the bridge. The engine is then started, stopped, or reversed manually using local control levers, fuel handles, and starting air controls depending on the engine design. Speed changes are made manually by adjusting fuel index or governor control. During a stern operation, proper turning gear disengagement, indicator cock condition, and starting air distributor operation must be confirmed. Extra attention is needed because there is no automatic response and everything depends on human operation. During emergency maneuvering, engineers must carefully monitor exhaust temperatures, bearing temperatures, vibrations, lubricating oil pressure, and unusual sounds. Any mistake can cause serious damage, so experienced personnel must handle the operation. After the situation is stable, troubleshooting of the remote system should be carried out and normal automation restored only after proper testing. This emergency maneuver procedure should be tested every 3 months as part of planned maintenance and safety drills to ensure the system functions correctly. Regular testing also helps the engine crew become familiar with the procedure, understand their responsibilities, and improve coordination with the bridge team. In a real emergency, there should be no panic, because proper practice gives confidence to control the ship safely and respond quickly under pressure. Emergency maneuver is not just a procedure, it is a critical skill for marine engineers. Every engine room team must be familiar with it because in real emergencies, quick and correct action can save the ship from collision, grounding, or blackout. If you found this video useful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more marine engineering knowledge and ship machinery explanations.